If you've ever witnessed a NASA rocket launch, you might have noticed a massive spray of water onto the launch pad during ignition and liftoff. One reason is to mitigate the intense heat generated by the rocket engines, which can reach temperatures up to 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit, enough to melt metal and concrete. However, the substantial use of water serves another purpose: sound waves. When rocket engines ignite, they produce an immense amount of noise. NASA employs a sound suppression system consisting of a 290-foot-high water tank filled with 300,000 gallons of water, which empties in just 60 seconds during the launch. The sound waves generated can be powerful enough to cause structural damage to the rocket and its payload, nearby buildings, and equipment. To mitigate this, the sound waves pass through the water, significantly reducing their intensity to around 142 decibels, within the permitted threshold as per the equipment and spacecraft's design standards.